Can you explain packages in Java with real-life analogy? Consider example of library of books. Library organizes books into different sections, meaning book related to history are kept in history section. Book related to science are kept in science section. This helps us to keep books organized, and because of this we can search any book easily. Books are like a classes and library is like a packages in Java program. Java packages are collection of a classes. In library you can have different sections for different types of book, meaning section is a group of similar types of book. Similarly, in Java, we can group related classes and interface into a packages. Just like library organizes books into different sections, Java packages helps us to organize and manage our Java code. Java packages also help to avoid naming conflict. Just like how different section in library ensure that book with the similar title don't mixed up, Java packages ensure that classes and interface with the same name from different package don't conflict. In short, Java packages are like a library of a books which helps your code to keep organized and manageable. Now let's jump to Eclipse and understand how we can create packages in Java. To create packages, we'll right click on project name, then click on new and then select package over here. Once you select package, you have to name our package. In our case, we will name our package as a payment, and after naming it, we'll click on finish button. As you can see on the left hand side, it has created a package with the name payment. Now we have two packages. First is a default package which Java will create by default, and second is our custom package which we named as a payment. Now for this payment package, I'll create two classes under it. First is online and second is create a class which indicates the payment method. We'll right click on package name, then click on new and then click on class. So I'll name our class as online. This class is like a normal class. Only difference is it has package name on top of it. If you don't mention package name, then Java will assume that this class belongs to default package. Now we can write normal variables and method under this class. So now let's save this class. So to create another class under same package, we will right click on payment package, then click on new and then click on class. I'll name this class as a UPI and then click on finish. Once you click on finish, Eclipse will automatically create this class under the package. As you can see, it's like a normal class, only difference is it has package name on top of it. So in this way, we have created payment package which has two classes, which is online and Java, which indicates that there are two payment methods supported by our application. First is online and second is UPI. There are many built-in packages and classes present in a Java, which Java developers have designed specifically for us. For example, we have package and classes present inbuilt in a Java, which helps us in connecting with the APIs. And again, there are another package and classes which helps us in connecting with the payment gateways. In this way, there are many packages and classes available which we can reuse for our application. That's it for today's video. See you in next video.